Okay, so diagram 1 shows an aircraft filled with gas P. Okay, what is in gas? What is gas P, you think? What do I fill in an aircraft? What gas do I put in an aircraft?
Helium.
Sorry?
Helium.
Very good. Yes, it's helium. Okay, now, can I find helium in the periodic table?
Yes.
Okay, if I can find anything in the periodic table, usually, yeah, it's an element, and elements are usually atom. So question number 1, the answer is C. Okay, because this helium gas is He, is one, consisting of only one. It's not water, it's not carbon dioxide, it's not oxygen, it's just one, He, helium. So my answer is C. Number 1 is C. Now, if you come to a question where you think, teacher, I don't understand, now you just stop me. Teacher will teach you. Okay, so all okay for question 1? You don't comment, it's just very difficult. Okay, I need to hear from you. Can you let me know if you're okay with question 1?
Yes, sir, okay with it.
Yeah, teacher, do you mind repeating, teacher?
Can teacher repeat? Let me just open board first. Wait, okay, let me resume my sharing. Okay. Okay, so I said that in an aircraft, I have helium gas. Okay, and in helium, a helium gas is actually an atom. Okay, why? How, teacher, how you know helium gas is an atom? Yeah, your question to teacher. Okay, do you now see my whiteboard?
No, sir.
I don't know why that happens. Okay, let me try again. Maybe I should do open board first. Okay, I'm doing open board, yeah? Okay, so helium, okay, it is in my periodic table of elements. If it is in my periodic table of elements, usually anything and everything there is an atom because it's an element. So element usually is one, helium. Okay, usually, yeah? Okay, so don't forget, like diatomic, chlorine, bromine, all different, even though you see it in the periodic table, but naturally they will exist, okay, not one, so they cannot be an atom. Okay, so helium, because helium is just one atom, another atom, helium. Okay, and all of this helium is existing inside, okay, your aircraft, your that particular thing. Okay, so yeah, I think if I want to go here and there, it doesn't work. Okay, what do you see on my screen now?
Whiteboard.
How come? Why does it not go straight away? Oh, that's very strange. That means I have to keep on changing. Benjamin, very busy, Benjamin.
Gotcha.
Okay, so helium is an atom. So number 1, my answer is C. Okay, number 1 answer is C. Karti, did you get that, Karti?
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now teacher go faster a bit because got a lot of calculation question. Okay, so I've got, okay, look at the second question. What do you think is the formula that teacher is going to use here? Or which chapter is this?
Rate of reaction, teacher.
No.
Heat. One of the sorry. Yeah, one of the heat, teacher.
Correct. One of the heat is what chapter?
Cashman said thermochemistry, teacher.
Correct. Thermochemistry. Hishman, sorry, teacher didn't hear you. Hishman, okay. Now, I have my theta here because 30 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. So I got theta. Then I got my M because I got V here. C, all of you should know. C is how much? They didn't give here, but you should know.
4.2.
Very good, 4.2. Now, they gave me 54.6 kilojoule of heat. Okay, 54.6 kilojoule of heat. You don't see the word per mole. That means it's not per mole. That means it is for this equation. I'm not finding for 1 mole. They're asking me what is the volume of P. Okay, what do you see on my screen?
Google Form, teacher.
You still see, you cannot see my whiteboard?
No, teacher.
That is so sad. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep on having to, I will have to just stop sharing each time, yeah? Teacher, apologize for that. Okay, so now you have your question there because teacher can't help it, yeah? Okay, Alvi is coming in. Okay, so this equation is not very difficult because they are asking me to find M. C I know is 4.2. Theta is how much? What minus what? You have to open the question in your own tab because teacher can't really move up and down easily. Do you have the question in front of you? What is the temperature change?
26, teacher.
Correct, 26. All of you open up in your own tab, yeah? So we can always go to it. Okay, so it's 26. Anik is coming in, yeah? So the formula is actually H or even Q, doesn't matter. Is equals to MC theta. Question wants me to find M. I cannot have two unknowns here. So that means to say H they would have given me. Look at the question. What is the H given to you? You have to have the question in front of you. How
54,600.
Correct. Okay, how do you have that question in front of you? All of you go to the score that teacher gave you that day. You click on it, you will come to your question. Okay, so yes, correct. You are going to get 54. It's actually 54.6.
Teacher,
But
which question is this?
okay, I have to stop sharing. Okay, and I will show you the question. On my screen is question number 2. Okay, but for y'all, it's difficult for y'all to see because it's all over. Yours is shuffle. Okay, have y'all found this question?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so later on y'all find lah. Okay, now teacher is going to go back to my open board. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me no, it's okay. So here Kai is not Kai. Wong is coming in. Here teacher must, it's kilojoule. Cannot be in kilojoule. Teacher must change to joule. So what Karthik said was correct. 54600 is equals to M times 4.2 times 26. Teacher want to find M. So 54600 divided by 4.2 times 26. All of you taking out your calculator, you will find the answer. I want to see everybody tekaning the calculator. Lesser students, all of you should be able to give me an answer unless you all are sleeping. What's my answer here?
500.
Very good. And my answer is 500 centimeter cube. Okay. And if you go and look at the answer, yes, teacher's going to change the new share. Okay. Are you looking at my Google form now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, D. Correct. My answer is D. Okay. So that is calculation question. In this topic, in my exam paper, I gave a lot of calculation question. Okay, next one. This is actually a very simple question. If you look at the diagram, teacher purposely gave the diagram for that reason. Photosynthesis, exo or endo? So I don't have many students.
Endo.
Very, yeah, your bio teacher will be so happy with you all. Okay, actually I don't have many students in the class, so I might call you all out one by one. Okay, correct. It is.
Teacher, excuse me, teacher. How do you know the question is correct? In your Google form, how do you know it's correct or wrong, teacher? Because there's no like mark, teacher. But the answer is A, teacher. But of course, yeah, teacher. But then, like, if after this, generally you want to check which questions are wrong, and then how, teacher?
You mean for me or what?
For me, teacher. Because we don't see right or wrong, teacher.
Exactly. And that is very strange. Okay, I
But
don't know why.
you were very cheeky, teacher. You didn't put numbers there, so that's a good move, teacher.
Very clever, right?
Yeah, very clever. Few teachers, I think, found out the trick. So after all the paper became like that, teacher. Half the paper was with numbers, half the paper without numbers. So we knew already lah. Someone would have butchered.
No lah. This one from the beginning already we said lah.
No, teacher.
Certain question had number.
No, I think maybe they purposely didn't want. Some teachers purposely didn't want. Some of us wanted.
So yeah, teacher, we are actually kind of lost, teacher, if we don't know the answer is correct or not.
But you can find this question, right? Have you found this question?
Yeah, fair enough, teacher. You can find this question, but do you understand what I mean, teacher?
Your question is you don't know whether you got right or wrong, is it?
Yeah. So after this, if we open the Google form, we can't identify that is the question wrong or correct. Because in other questions, is 0 out of 4 or 4 out of 4. It's like that.
Yeah. So that's why I'm taking time to teach you now.
Okay.
That's why I'm going question by question to show you the answer. Can
teacher. Why ask can teacher?
Yeah, okay, teacher, carry on. Yeah. So anyway, here the answer is endo. Why? Because I am absorbing heat energy. Okay. The plant is absorbing energy. Therefore, endo is always about absorbing. So that's why the answer is A. Okay, and the first this answer is A. Okay, now next one is another calculation question. Damien is coming in. Now if you look at this question properly, yeah. Okay, it's another thermo question. So teacher purposely wanted to give you thermo questions to make you all think a bit. Thermo questions, you must have 4 things. Number 1, you must have equation, and they already gave you the equation. Number 2, what must you have? Go and find this question. All of y'all need to go and find this question, yeah? All of y'all will be having it in different places. In thermo, first I must have equation. Second, I must have what? If don't know, just say don't know. Teacher don't mind. Okay, let me call out some names, yeah? Afiq. Sorry, I go to Adi first. I go alphabetical. Adi, do you know the answer? Then only I will know whether you are really here or not.
Nope.
Okay, Adi, do you know the answer, Adi?
No, teacher.
Okay, Afiq. Afiq, do you know after chemical equation, what must teacher have? Okay, don't know. Okay, so I won't go further because I don't want to waste time. Okay, so number 1, equation. Number 2, teacher must have number of moles. Okay, so I want all of you to pay attention. Teacher got volume and molarity for nitric acid. I've got volume molarity for potassium hydroxide. I want everyone taking out a piece of paper, and I want you to find out for teacher right now, what is the number of moles of nitric acid and what's the number of moles of potassium hydroxide? Everyone doing it together with teacher. Teacher is also going to do it together with you. Okay, I'm going to do a new share with you. Okay. So number 1 equation is KOH plus nitric acid. Okay, teacher is going to get potassium nitrate plus water. Okay, teacher want to find number of moles for potassium hydroxide and nitric acid. How do I do it? They gave me M, they gave me V. What do I do?
MV over 1000.
Okay, so Chia first, yeah? MV over 1000. Okay, Chia, you're having the question with you. What is my M for potassium hydroxide?
$25
Okay, 25 times?
times 2.
Okay, divided by 1000. What's your answer, Chia?
0.1 more.
Okay, Sorry, okay, now I want the next person. Anyone else? Damien. Okay, I've got nitric acid. Okay, for nitric acid, what is my number of moles? You have to look at the question, Damien, to answer, teacher. You have to look at the question to answer. Damien? Okay, we try Benji. Benji? Okay. Okay, he's opening the question. No problem. It's okay. Benji, want to try for teacher Benji? Benji, are you there?
Ben says he's in a call.
Ayo, we call with who? Oh, never mind. It's okay. Azman, you want to try Azman?
Sure, Chief.
Okay, I want to find the number of moles of nitric acid.
Nitric acid.
Okay, so you must tell me what is my M, what is my V. Don't wait for teacher to call you, then you waste a lot of time. We try to do faster a bit. Okay, what is the M here? What is the V here for nitric acid? You must have the question in front of you.
50 times 2.0.
Very good. 50 times 2.0 over 1000. Azman, what's the answer?
The answer is 0.1.
Eh? Oh. Chia.
Cik,
I
yang
think-
25 tu salah.
25 to 0.05.
Yeah, correct. I think she's for the other one. Okay, thank you. Cik, aku pun tak perasan. Please remember, Poinchina and maths very far apart, yeah? So whenever we do calculation questions, you must help me, okay? Me and calculation memang jauh, very jauh. Okay? All right, so I will thank you all of your life Xavier. Okay, 0.1 mole here. Very good. Cikgu, normally bila cikgu bagi soalan, always the number of mole is the same kan for thermochemistry. Tapi tiba-tiba tengok, ada dua number of mole. Cikgu nak pilih number of mole yang mana satu to find out my answer. Should I use 0.05?
Smaller number.
Very good, Azman. Teacher must use the smaller number. Because takkan cikgu nak guna 0.1 kat sini? I don't have 0.1. So it's impossible. So teacher must use 0.05 mole. Okay, what is the question asking? What is the heat release? Okay, when I am having this amount. Okay, so it's very simple. Did the question give you for 1 mole? Here is 1 mole. What is the value here? Delta H is equals to how much? Negative?
Negative 57.
Very good. Negative 57 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Now, that means this is for 1 mole now. So my next step is 1 mole is equals to 57. 0.05 mole. How much is it? This is what the question is asking. Okay, who would like to tell me what's the answer? Okay, let me check who's in the class, in the group. Arif, Anik or Arif? Okay, Anik, Arif, Damien. Either one of you answer teacher. So starting today onwards, all my classes, everybody's going to have a chance to talk. I'll call my name. Okay, so I mentioned Anik, Anik, Damien. Who's the other name? And Arif. Either one of you answer teacher. If 1 mole is 57, 0.05 mole is what? What to do? What must you do here?
Cik, bagi 2 ke?
Kita tak, we don't bahagi 2 tapi kita darab silang. Good try. We must darab silang sebab cikgu nak cari yang ni. So what happens is actually your answer will be 57 times 0.05 divided by 1. Okay, class, what did you all get?
2.85.
Okay, 2.85 kilojoule. Okay, because here kilojoule, so here also kilojoule. Okay, I'm going to go to the answer. All of you, look at the answer that teacher is going to give you all here. Do you have in my answer scheme here? Do you have the answer 2.85 kilojoules?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, and the answer is A. So now do you know how to answer a question that is, if they give you two number of moles, you always must take which one, the higher number of moles or the lower number of moles?
Lower number of moles.
Very good, lower number of moles. Okay, let's go on to my next person here. I want Arif to answer this for teacher, yeah? Arif, what is the homologous series here? Homologous series means kan, dia tergolong dalam kumpulan mana? Arif. If Arif can not here, Damien. Damien can't find the question. Are you sure Damien cannot find the question? Impossible.
I'm here, but I don't know the okay.
Benjamin, you are not muted.
Oh.
What like you, Benjamin? Okay. So what is my answer here? What's my homologous series here?
Alkan.
Okay, alkanes, yeah, correct. Not alkanes, alkanes, yeah, okay, correct. How do you know, Benjamin? I want to hear from you. Why do you say this is alkanes?
Because single bond.
Single bond.
Yeah.
Okay, it's single bond. Damien, you don't need a link. You go to your email, Damien. You go to your email. You will see teacher send you a score release. And then from the score release, you will actually go to the question. But you can also see the question on my screen, right, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next person, Arif. Please, someone put a message there, teacher.
Che. Can you hear me now? Che, I said 2 times already. I forgot. It's on the wrong USB.
What, Arif?
My microphone. I talked 2 times already.
Oh,
but I forgot it's wrong in the USB. Yeah, yes.
Okay, Arif, glad to hear your voice. Okay, which one is pen 1 in?
Is it C, che?
Correct, it is C. Why? Why is it C, Arif?
I don't know.
Then how do you know the answer is C?
My instinct, che.
Slap you, huh?
E.
Okay, E and E, yes, is double bond. So definitely B cannot. D cannot. A also cannot. You see the word E and E here. They must be other double bond. E and E double bond. A and E single bond. OL must have OH group. Are you listening, Arif?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay, all right. Yes, and then they say pen 1 in. Afiq is also correct. I have my double bond in the first carbon here, yeah? So correct, good job. Okay, name this for teacher. Let me look. Chia, can you send the name list in, Chia? Did you take or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, because you know what, at least I can call the name. Okay, Farid. Anik, teacher didn't hear your voice, so Anik. Farid or Anik and Damien. Okay, teacher want to hear from them. Either one. Turn on your mics, please.
I answered 2 chloropropane because the chlorine is in the second carbon.
Very good. Okay, 2 chloropropane is correct. I got a pentene coming into my class. Who is this pentene class?
Zawawi, I guess.
Zawawi here now.
I don't
Zawawi
think so.
Then
Oh my
person
gosh,
there.
that guy, so cute and weird. Okay, anyway, yes, correct. Anik, good job. Okay, 2 chloropropane and a very good explanation as well. I think all of you explained prior to this. Very good. Okay, this one is super duper easy. How many protons does this isotope of lithium have? It should be Farid or Damien. Damien or Farid? Quickly. Simple one, this one. Close to
3,
isotopes.
3.
Okay, Damien, is that you, Damien?
Yeah.
Okay, correct. It is 3 because my proton here is 3. So proton is always the smaller number. The top number 8 here is the nucleon number. So correct, my answer is C. Well done. Okay, this is a hard question. Teacher will do for you. Okay, so teacher have an apparatus set up like this. This is called a chemical cell. How do you know it is a chemical cell? Who can tell me? What lah, Benjamin sending here, Benjamin? What is this, Benjamin? You sent to the wrong group, Benjamin. You sending to wrong person, is it? Benjamin, what happened to you, Benjamin? You want me to click?
Teacher. I'm going insane.
Do you want me to click the link, Benjamin?
Teacher, it's just a frog dancing.
Okay, thank you. All right, okay. Do you all see the link or do you all see the frog dancing?
Link.
Okay, thank you. All right. So in case my eyes was wrong, you never know. Okay, so here teacher have two different metals. Okay, key thing in a chemical cell, number one, I must have two different metals. And this particular cell is called a Daniel cell. And Daniel not in my class today, very naughty. Okay, is he here? I hope I didn't say him naughty, but actually he's here. Daniel, are you here? Okay, no. All right. So this is a Daniel cell. Why? Because I have a salt bridge. Whenever teacher has a salt bridge, okay, it will always be called a Daniel cell. Now, the first thing that when you see a chemical cell, a chapter 1 question, yeah, for Form 5, you must tell teacher already, which one is my anode, which one is my cathode. Now, who can tell me in this question, which one is my anode, which one is my cathode? Don't know, say don't know. So teacher, don't waste time.
Anode is silver, cathode is copper.
Okay, wrong. Already wrong. Okay, so how to find out whether something is anode or something is cathode? What must you look at?
Electrochemical series, is it?
For your level, you don't learn ECS. That was last year. You
No,
must.
you have to see which one is higher.
You see, okay. Yeah, correct. You actually, yes. Sorry, go ahead, Karthi.
Yeah, no, sorry, teacher. You must see which one is the higher in the arrangement of the sun.
Yeah, E not value.
Yes, okay.
Electronegativity.
Okay, so what Karthi said and what Zawawi said is correct. We must look at the ECS, but marking scheme doesn't allow you to say the word ECS because for your level, your change syllabus already. So Benjamin, use the right term. You must look at the SEP value. Okay, the standard electrode potential value. If my value is more negative, that is my anode. If my value is more positive, that is my cathode. Okay, so if teacher is not mistaken, yeah, copper is plus 0.34 and silver is plus 0.80. This is if I'm not mistaken. I remember offhand only, yeah. So which one is more negative here, copper or silver? Copper is 0.34, silver is 0.80. Which one is more, or which one is less positive? Copper. Very good, it's copper. So copper is my anode.
Teacher,
yeah.
Do you have to memorize the...
No, they will give in exam.
Tapi ni tak bagilah.
But this one you should already know. So when you see, so some things you must already know. Like ECS also, they will never give you an exam before this. Okay, but you must already know the position of it. Copper is always higher than silver. You should already have that understanding. Magnesium and copper. Copper is lower than magnesium. So you must have that understanding already. Yeah, so here they didn't give, but you should have that understanding because not always they will spoon feed you with the answer. This is paper 1. Paper 1, they might not give you. Paper 2 only they will give you. Okay. All right, so teacher, go on to the next one. In anode, oxidation will happen. Okay, in cathode, reduction will happen. Okay, teacher, repeat. In anode, oxidation happen. In cathode, reduction happen. Now you look at the copper here. If it is undergoing oxidation, what will happen to it?
Don't electron.
Yes, very good. Excellent, yeah. So teacher, draw here for you. Can you see my screen with open board?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sorry, I asked this question many times because I don't want to shock somebody suddenly, right? And y'all can't see. Yeah. So copper, here is my anode. Anode always undergo oxidation. So yes, Alvi is right. Here, my copper will undergo oxidation where it will donate electron. Correct. And then on the other side, teacher has silver. But if you notice properly and you look at the question, I have my salt bridge here. Okay, and then teacher has my solution, and I think this solution here is silver nitrate. Okay, this is my anode. In the anode, teacher always look at the electron. In my cathode, I don't care about electron at all. I will see what are my cation ions here. Okay, teacher have Ag plus and H plus. Which ion is teacher going to selectively discharge? Ag plus or H plus? Very good. Ag plus, again, you must remember your set value. Okay, so Ag plus is lower than H plus. So Ag plus here will receive electron and teacher will be get Ag. Okay, listen. So here teacher will get a solid, which means to say I will get, it will become thicker in my cathode. Cathode become thicker. And in my anode, okay, I'm donating electron. So my anode becomes thinner. Are you following what teacher is saying? This is a bit of a hard question, yeah? Hard to also teach very fast because I'm rushing for time. So look at point A. They tell me copper will become thicker. Betul ke copper becoming thicker? What did I say just now?
Thinner.
Thinner. A out. They tell me B. My silver becomes thinner. Betul ke?
No.
No, my silver is becoming thicker. Okay, you look at C. They say that my copper 2 sulfate becomes more blue. Okay, that's going to figure out. Correct. Yes. Okay. Why does it become more blue? Okay, teacher explained to you why. Here, teacher got copper nitrate. Memang already blue already here. So, what happens is my copper here is releasing more copper 2 ions. So a lot of copper 2 ions are coming inside here. Dah lah already blue because solution here is copper 2 nitrate. Tambah lagi the copper 2 ions coming down here. So yes, my answer is the intensity of the blue becomes higher. Okay, that means it is more copper 2 ion, more bluish in color. So my correct answer is C. Okay, so I hope my explanation helps you here. You have to go back and read this. Maybe what teacher will do after rate of reaction, maybe teacher will teach back redox just for your sake, if you all need that. Okay, now do you all understand why the answer is C here now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all right, thank you. Quickly, we go to the next one. Again, you can see a lot of calculation questions here. Okay, what is the volume of carbon dioxide gas here? What is my volume of carbon dioxide gas here? If I've got 0.05 mole of ethanol. Okay, 4 things you need in an equation. Sorry, 4 things you need in a calculation. What is 1? Four things.
Mole, mass, volume.
No, before you go to number of moles, 4 things that teacher needs in a calculation. What is it?
The chemical equation.
Okay, number 1, chemical equation. They already gave me my chemical equation there. Number 2, what is it?
Number of
The relative atomic mass.
moles.
Number of moles. Okay, what do you see on my screen right now?
Google Forms.
Oh, okay.
0.05.
Okay, so hang on. So I'm going to write down the equation for you. C2H5OH plus O2. Teacher get 2CO2 plus 3H2O. Okay, that's my correct equation. All of you should have this on your tab also as well. So easier for teacher. Okay, they told me I have 0.05 mole here. So number 1, I already have my equation. Number 2, I don't even have to calculate the number of moles. Good, Zawawi already told me. They told me already I got 0.05. Wow, baiknya soalan ni. Dah bagi number of moles. Tak payah kira. Okay, number 3. Do I want anything got to do with my ethanol ke? They want me to find something else. What do they want me to find in this question?
Volume of CO2.
Very good. They want me to find the volume of CO2. Class, volume, apa formula? Kalau cikgu nak cari volume, what formula must I use? Number of moles is equals to?
MV over 1000.
Wrong. MV over 1000 is if I'm using a solution. Here got no solution.
Molar mass kan?
Not molar
Molar mass
mass.
is it?
Volume over molar volume.
Volume over molar volume, not molar volume over volume. Volume over molar volume. Okay, you tell me, I want to find for carbon dioxide, right? I know number of moles of ethanol only. How I want to do the questions if I don't have number of moles of carbon dioxide? How I want to substitute inside here? What can I do? What is your third step?
Pusingkan the equation.
Save. What do you mean by save?
Pusingkan the equation.
You mean relate, is it? Teacher now wants to find out what is my number of moles here. What must teacher do?
Relate.
Very good. I must relate. So step number 3 is actually relate. Okay. Fitri, relate for teacher. Start with my equation first. 1 more. One mole of. Okay, Farid, want to try Farid? Farid, Fitri, Haidit, Maitali. Okay, all of you can try. 1 mole of what?
1 more of C2H5OH.
Okay, 1 mole of C2H5OH produces?
2 CO2.
Correct. Gives me 2 moles of CO2. By the way, Alwi salah tau. Alwi said 2 CO2. Kalau tak ada mole, jawapan salah. Jalan kerja salah. Teacher tell you now, so you know marking scheme punya cara. Okay, yes. 1 mole gives me 2 mole. Very good. But I don't want this one. I want this one. What is this value here? Okay. Anyone wants to continue? The names I mentioned, Farid, Maitali, Fitri. Come, small class. Actually, not small.
0.05 mole of C2H5OH.
Okay, will give me
0.1
mole of.
carbon dioxide.
Very good. Now, did I find my number of moles, class? Can I take this 0.1 and can I put it inside here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So teacher can put 0.1 is equals to volume over my molar volume. Okay, question has given you that your molar volume is 24. Okay, teacher is going to put 24 and okay, all of you 0.1 times 24. You must remember Ponchina's maths is very poor. What's the answer?
2.4.
2.4. You will get no marks in exam.
Mole per decimeter cube.
What? What? Sorry?
Mole per decimeter cube.
Why? Why volume got mole per decimeter cube?
Mole je.
No.
DM3.
Decimeter je.
Very
Decimeter
good.
cube.
Decimeter cube. Correct. Haidit, was it your voice, Haidit?
Yes, I cakap je.
Zawawi, who's talking to you?
Sure, that's what I said. Decimeter cube.
You said mole per decimeter cube, right?
Oh, no mole.
Yeah, you cannot say mole. Mole per decimeter cube is concentration.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that is not exactly what you said. So if you go back to teacher's answer now, you will actually see, yes, there's an answer, mole per decimeter cube then. Sorry, 2.4 decimeter cube. Yes, 2.4 decimeter cube. Are you following teacher class? Okay, this is another very interesting one. How many of you don't know how to do this question? Don't know. Tak tahu.
Michelle, I believe I can baca this one.
Okay, this one teacher do fast for you because if not, I got no time to finish. Okay, teacher will do fast for you. You all read out for me the statement later. Okay, because I'm not referring to it. Okay, send someone read out for me. X2. CO3 is it? Dot.
10H2O.
Okay, 10H2O. They told me the sum of this is actually 286. Find X. So it's very simple. I got 2X here. 2X here, so I change it to 2X. Carbon, what's my relative molecular mass? Anyone? Farid?
12.
Okay,
12.
very good. Never mind. Okay. 12, very good. Farid, did you want to hear your voice, Farid? Oxygen, what's my relative molecular mass?
16 times 3.
Farid. Farid, are you there, Farid?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, what's your answer?
I'm not sure how to calculate it.
Okay, now my teacher's asking you, oxygen, what's my relative molecular mass? Don't worry if your answer is wrong. What's the relative molecular mass for oxygen?
16.
Very good. Okay, so now 16, how many oxygens do I have here?
1. 2.
Farid, are you looking at my board?
Yes, sir. I'm looking at the board.
How many oxygens did you have here?
3.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Farid. Okay, now this plus sign here means, sorry, this dot actually just means plus sign, yeah? Okay, teacher will carry on. Okay, teacher was going to ask Haidit. Haidit, what's the next step, Haidit?
The resume 10 times 1.
10 times what?
1.
Okay, actually for me, right, I prefer if you do straight away, water. Water, what's the relative molecular mass? The total.
26.
80.
What did you say, Heidi? Did he say something?
He said 36.
Okay, but it's not 36.
36.
It's not 36. Why is it 36? Oxygen is 16. 16 plus 2?
18.
18. Correct. Okay, is equals to 286. Okay, next one. I want somebody to do this for me. Who is good in maths in your class? Who's the maths champion? Who always score very well in maths? Who?
Karthikeyan.
Karthikeyan. Okay. Oh, Karthikeyan. Okay. Sanjeev and Chuskan. Okay. Now I'll do Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Yeah, yes, that's me. So 16 times 3 is 48. 48 plus 12 is 60. 60 plus 180 is 240. So 286 minus 240 would be 46. 46 divided 2 would be 23.
Did you all get what he said, class?
Yes, sir.
Well done. Correct. Good job, Karthi.
Thank you.
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, so did y'all see the working is actually very simple mathematics here, yeah? Okay, I want to go on to the next question. Okay, I saw some of you putting the answers in the group, yeah? Sorry if teacher doesn't reply you there, okay? Because it's a bit difficult for teacher to look at 2 places at one time. Okay, what do you see on my screen? Do you see my Google form?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Now this is a salt question, okay? And whether you like it or not, you must memorize salt. So they're asking me, how can I differentiate between a zinc and an aluminium? Okay, I want to omit the wrong answers first. Now, potassium iodide, I only can test for one thing. What is it? Cashman. Potassium iodide, I only can test for one thing. What is it?
Thank you, Lacha. I just about to say his name. Thank you, Lacha.
Keshman?
Yes.
Keshman. There's only one Keshman, right? Keshman?
I think
Can
Karthik
you
wants a...
repeat your question?
Oh, repeat my question now. Do you know which question I'm doing or not?
Oh, right. I see in the slide.
Okay, I cannot tell you which number because got no number.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so I want you to differentiate between zinc and aluminium. Can you do that for me? So my question was actually potassium iodide. I'm using potassium iodide to test for what ion? If don't know, say don't know, because then we don't have to waste time.
I don't do.
Okay, Ghazali and then Omaitali. Ghazali, let potassium iodide, teacher used to test for what? Ghazali, are you there, Ghazali? Okay, teacher's asking again. Potassium iodide I used to test for what ion? If you don't know, it's okay. You can say don't know.
Don't know, Chair.
Okay, class, anyone who wants to help him? What do I use potassium iodide for? Which ion? It's very specific, only one particular ion. It starts with an L. Wrong. Yes, correct. It's lead ion. Okay, only lead ion, only lead ion. When test with potassium iodide, teacher will get lead 2 iodide. And lead 2 iodide is yellow in color. So anytime you see potassium iodide, you must remember it's special. It only tests for Pb2+. Okay, now then teacher, how to differentiate zinc and aluminium? Okay, this one I really want you to have a look at teacher's screen right now. Okay, I am going to do for you campus. I don't know if you can remember campus, but I would like you to, I would like you to look at my screen. Now, when teacher adds sodium hydroxide, okay, a little, teacher will get white precipitate, okay, and the white precipitate will be for calcium, magnesium, lead, aluminium, and zinc. This is called campus, campus. Now, when teacher add in excess sodium, when I add excess sodium hydroxide, teacher's going to cut it here. Okay, I'm going to cut the cam and the pus, where here it becomes insoluble. Calcium and magnesium, even though teacher added a lot of sodium hydroxide, it is still forming a precipitate. Okay, but lead, aluminium, and zinc, okay, this is my test tube, yeah? Lead, aluminium, and zinc, even though teacher put in excess sodium hydroxide, somehow or rather, the precipitate that was there earlier became soluble. No more. Okay, now you go back to my question just now. My question said, how do I differentiate aluminium and zinc? Do you think teacher can use sodium hydroxide to differentiate aluminium and zinc, class? You look at the example that my teaching here. Both of them also is soluble. Do you think I can use sodium hydroxide?
No.
I cannot. Okay, I am not. It's not possible. So I'm now going to go to the next one. I'm going to go to ammonia. Okay, it's called ammonium hydroxide. Yeah, there are two names to it: ammonium hydroxide or ammonium solution. They mean the same thing. It's NH3. Okay, teacher's going to cut it the same way. Here, teacher's only doing for you a white precipitate. Same thing, campus. But the way I cut it is different. Listen, here teacher put a little sodium hydroxide. Sorry, it's a little ammonia. All of this in front of me all becomes a white precipitate. Okay, all. Because I put a little. Then when teacher put in excess ammonia, teacher cut this way, look. Where calcium memang tak form any precipitate langsung. Okay, and then magnesium, lead, and aluminium, they are insoluble, which means to say, okay, here I have a lot of ammonia, but there is still a precipitate. Okay, but look at zinc. Zinc is soluble. So when teacher put in ammonia in excess, a lot of ammonia, sorry, my precipitate is no more there. You tell me, class, can I use ammonia solution or ammonium hydroxide to differentiate my aluminium and my zinc?
Can,
And
teacher.
so that's my answer. You must memorize campus. If you want to take a photo of teacher's drawing here, go ahead. Okay. So this is a very simple way that I'm drawing for you to understand. So I'm going back to my question now. Okay, so yes, the answer is A. Okay, teacher's going to go fast already. This one teacher's going to go, teacher will explain. Okay, so which one is correct? Okay, the question is asking you. They say the empirical formula of J is C4H8. Is that correct? Is the statement correct? Renette. Renette, is the statement correct, Renette? Empirical formula of J is C4H8.
Teacher, are you opening the docs?
Oh, didn't I open? Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we are seeing the whiteboard.
Sorry. Okay, there you go. Thank you for telling. Okay, Renette, is the empirical formula of J here C4H8? Renette? You can't see the question. Can you see my screen? Are you able to see teacher's screen? If you look at my screen, you can see. Hey, it's blank. Class, can you all see my answer? My question?
Can, sir.
Okay, never mind. I don't know why for her. Okay, never mind. Let's go to Shalini, okay? Shalini, is the empirical formula of JC4H8. Be very honest. If don't know, say teacher, I don't know. It's okay. Shalini?
Yes.
Okay, Shalini says yes. Yeah, okay. I'm going to go to Alwi. Alwi, is my empirical formula of JC4H8?
Yes.
Okay, Alwi also says yes. I'm going to Wong, yeah? Wong, is my empirical formula of J here C4H8?
Yes,
Is
yes.
Wong, sorry, Wong?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so all of your answers are wrong. Okay, empirical formula means what? Yes, Damien, correct.
Whole number.
Correct, is the simplest whole number. C4H8, teacher can break it down what? To CH2 what? So number one already wrong. So think about it. If number one wrong, I can cancel A, I can cancel B. So A and B out already. Now let's go to number two. Is compound J but1in? You tell me, Zawawi, the last name on my list. Is it but1in?
Yes.
Correct. So number two is correct. So C also out because C got no number two. So answer is 2, 3, and 4. Very simple. You have to find the easiest way to find the answer. Don't need to look at number 3 and 4. So straight away you know the answer is D because A and B cannot, C cannot. Okay, so that is the best answer here. All right. Okay, next one. Why is Duralumin harder than aluminium? Okay, who have not called out your name yet? In my list. Okay, this is Fitri Daniel, sorry. Ghazali, let's try you again, Ghazali. Why is Duralumin harder than aluminium? What is Duralumin? You tell teacher.
D, the layer of atom in uranium have more difficult in sliding over one another.
Very good. Very good. The answer memang is D. Very good. Why? What is duralumin? What is the name of, what is it categorized under? Alloy. Correct. Huh? As you all said, maybe Damien is more awake at night. Damien, today is your day, Damien? Yes, yeah? Okay, so duralumin is an alloy. So in alloys, you have more metals together. Correct. Answer is D. Just going on quickly. Now, this is ethanol. Ethanol is going to form something here. I'm using porcelain chips. I want somebody to remember chapter 2. What is this? What process is this? The name of the process. Kalau ada porcelain chips, apa nama proses ni? Benjamin.
Ethane.
Sorry? Benjamin is not here already, yeah? Can you all check? Can Chia just check for teacher? Where's Benjamin? It's not thermal decomposition. No, this is not chapter 8. This is a very simple topic on dehydration. I am losing out water. I'm taking out water. Now, this is a very famous exam question. They like to ask this question. Okay, everybody put an asterisk in a paper or whatever. Remember, very good. It's called dehydration. Okay, now when I dehydrate ethanol, what is the gas that teacher is going to get? Ethanol, teacher take out water. What am I going to get?
Ethane.
Very good. The answer is ethane. Excellent. Correct. Answer is C. Yeah, ethene. Remember, dehydration of alcohol, I get alkene. I want everybody to put a key point here. Dehydration always come out for exam. Okay, this is very simple. I'm going to Adi. Adi, why is the concentration of hydrogen ions in sulfuric acid? Kita dah buat banyak kali dah in my revision with you all. Why concentration here in sulfuric acid more than in HS acid, monoprotic? Why? Adi.
Yes, sir. My answer is B.
B, is it?
Yes.
Okay, the answer is wrong. He says stronger acid, not the correct answer. Okay, can I have Afiq helping him? Afiq, what's the correct answer, Afiq? Okay, very good. It is A, yes, because sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4 is a diprotic acid. Okay, if compared to HX, HX is a monoprotic acid. Monoprotic is one hydrogen. Sulfuric acid is diprotic, two hydrogen. So the answer here is A. Okay, teacher, move on to Anik. Anik, soalan ni terbalik dengan soalan tadi. Just now teacher said dehydration, teacher take out water. Now teacher is adding water. So what must P be? And if you can remember, what is the name of this process? Okay, what is the name of this process?
Hydration.
Very good. It is called hydration. Correct. Okay. Now, Anik, yeah, Anik, teacher want you to try. Here I got 3 carbons. Okay. What do you think my P must be?
I answered D, teacher. C3H6 and the catalyst is phosphoric acid.
Correct. Memang the jawapan is betul. Okay. So memang for a hydration, teacher always use phosphoric acid. Kena hafal. 3 things: hydration, phosphoric acid, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atmospheric pressure. Carbon compound must memorize. Okay, so yes, correct. Okay, this is another calculation question. What is the 4 things you must have in a calculation? Number 1 is what?
Chemical equation.
Very good, chemical equation. Number 2 is what?
Number of moles.
Okay, very good, number of moles. Okay, now how can I find number of moles? What did they give me?
Mass.
Very good, they gave me mass. I can find number of moles from here. Teacher is your turn to this question. Yeah, teacher is going to shift on to open board, so you all help me to answer in open board later. Okay, on my whiteboard. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Okay, number 1, we all have the equation. Can someone read out the equation for teacher? Do you have the equation in front of you in your own tab? Can someone read the equation for teacher?
Teacher. C3H7 OH arrow C3H6 plus H2.
Okay, so very good. We go step by step again. Number 1, I already have the equation. Chia, did you check on Benjamin Chia? Okay, never mind. No need Chia. Let me have Karthik. Do you mind, teacher Karthik, checking on Benjamin?
Can, teacher.
Thank you, Karthik. Okay, so number 2, teacher want to find number of moles. Already mentioned just now, number of moles. And I know that my propanol is 15 gram. Okay, so you all told teacher just now I can find mass over molar mass. Okay, class, you tell me, what is my mass here? Teacher is doing number of moles of propanol. What is the mass they already gave in the question?
15.
Very good, 15. What is my molar mass? Okay, teacher is going to call out names. Okay, what is my molar mass here? Farid, what is my molar mass of propanol?
Excuse me, Puan Shina, Ben has tuition.
Okay, tell him to inform first lah. Why didn't inform?
He's like that, then he will talk a
What kind
lot. Naman teacher, we just listen.
Why tuition
Ada teacher?
at 9:30 at night?
Memang I think their TTC is like that, teacher. 9 o'clock they start. I think he was not here for very long, right, teacher?
Quite a bit, yeah.
Yeah, so memang I think he skipped a bit then just joined us.
Okay, thank you, Karti. Okay, Farid, if you heard teacher ask you what is the relative molar or molar mass of propanol? Farid, don't be afraid if you don't know. Teacher, it's okay with me. Okay, I'm very, very okay. Just a teacher, I don't know. Don't worry.
I don't know, Chair.
Thank you. Thank you for being so honest. Teacher appreciates that. Okay. Can I go on to someone who knows? What is the relative? Alvi, can you help us? What is the relative molecular mass of propanol? Teacher's very happy when you can tell me you don't know, so that I don't teach to myself. Okay, and then I can help you. Thank you for being honest. Alvi, you want to help teacher? Okay, oh, Shalini, very good. Shalini says 42. Okay, we count together, see whether it's correct, okay? So I have to actually count C3H7OH here. So let's check. Here is 12 times 3, so 36. 36 plus 7 is how much?
43.
43, okay, Shalini. We go on some more, must plus 16 here.
Teacher.
Okay, so okay, all right, okay, so all of them helping to count, all right, okay, so yes, actually the answer should be 60, yeah? So this is the way to count. Farid, now you know how to count already, Farid?
Yes, sure.
All right, no problem, Shalini. Teacher also always make mistake, yeah? We make mistake together. Don't worry, you make mistake in my class is fine. Don't make mistake during exam, huh? Okay, 15 divided by 60. What's the answer, Farid? You try for teacher. 15 divided by 60.
0.25.
Okay, 0.25 mole. Must have unit. They will not give you any marks. Okay. I got number of mole of propanol. What does the question want me to do actually? Question nak apa? Soalan nak apa? Soalan tanya, what is the volume of propene? Okay, so what is my volume of propene here? They don't care about my propanol. They ask me what is my volume of propene. Okay, what formula must teacher use here? I want to find volume. Okay, hide it. Kalau cikgu nak cari volume, apa formula cikgu nak kena guna?
Number of mole.
Correct?
Volume over apa?
Molar volume.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, so correct. I want to find number of mole of propene here. I need to find volume over molar volume. But there's a problem. I do not know my number of moles of propene. So this is what teacher told you just now. My second step is my number of moles. What's my third step? To find the number of moles of propene, what do I need to do?
Relate.
Very good. Relate. Okay. Who wants to relate for teacher? Dan you can tengok banyak kali cara dia sama je. The same way. Who wants to help teacher? Come try. It's okay if wrong.
1.1 mole of CH.
Which one, Farid?
Oh my god, I'm not muted. 1 mole of C3H7OH.
Very good.
Equals to C3H6.
One more.
1 mole of C3H6.
Very good. Are you trying this on your own?
Yeah.
Excellent. You're doing a great job. Good job. Go ahead. Carry on.
0.25 mole of C3H2H7OH is 0.25 C3H6.
Mole, mole. Jangan lupa mole. Okay, no problem. I'm just saying it because I've seen they take out your marks, so I don't want that to happen to you. So very good. Now I know this number of mole. I bawa masuk ke sini. So here teacher got 0.25. My volume over my molar volume, I believe it should be 24, correct? Oops. So teacher put here 24. Okay, all of you calculate and see. What do I get? 0.25 times 24? 24. Very good. And yes, I believe the answer is 6 decimeter cube. Okay, so we're going to check the answer. Here. Sorry. Is it this one? Don't know where's your, okay, here you are. All right, so yes, it is 6 decimeter cube. Correct. Teacher going to go faster now. This one is very easy. Okay, I'm hoping to end at 10, yeah? So, sorry, I memang want to finish this with y'all, okay? So, I won't go beyond 10. Teacher, apologize once again. Okay, what is the electron that copper has? How many electrons does copper have? Okay, I know. Sorry, Chia, what do you say?
29.
Okay, 29. Easy answer, teacher, don't want to waste time. Anyone who doesn't know why it's 29? Anyone don't know? Quickly raise up your hand. Don't raise up physically, yeah? Raise up using Zoom, yeah?
Teacher.
Yeah? Okay, so nobody, all of you understand. Okay, let's move on. Okay, teacher do faster a bit, yeah, because I want to finish. Okay, here I've got element P and element Q. You should know this. Is this an ionic bond or a covalent bond? Quickly.
Ionic.
Okay, it's an ionic bond because metal, non-metal. Now, what will be the formula that I get?
A.
PQ.
PQ is correct, yeah? Okay, D is the answer is correct. Very good. Simple ones, teacher is going faster because tak cukup masa. But if you could look at the question, teacher, I don't know. Just stop me, teacher, teach again. Teacher, help me, I don't know. Okay, so teacher will leave it as that. Okay, I let somebody annotate my screen for this question. What is the oxidation number of nitrogen here? Okay, what is the oxidation number of nitrogen here? Who would like to do for teacher? Okay, so I am going to go to a new picture. So I want to know NH4Cl. What is my oxidation number of nitrogen? Who would like to annotate my screen and quickly teach your classmates? Okay, it looks like nobody, so never mind. Okay, so I presume you all don't know how to do this question, is it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so if I want to find an oxidation number of something, I must know that the sum of all this equals to 0. Then you must be asking me, teacher, why equals to 0? Because I got no charge here, I got no 2 minus, 3 minus. If I've got 2 minus, 3 minus, then I will say the sum is equals to minus 2, minus 3. But here I don't have any sum of anything, so I don't have to do that. Okay, so how am I going to start this question? Okay, I'm going to leave N as N. And I'm going to get the oxidation number of hydrogen. What's the oxidation number of hydrogen?
1.
Okay, 1. How many hydrogens do I have here?
4.
4. So teacher times 4. Okay, plus, okay, Cl. What is my oxidation number?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so N plus 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. N plus 3 is equals to 0. N is equals to minus 3. That's your answer. Senang je. Actually, calculation questions for chemistry really is very easy once you get the hang of it. Okay, now this one very quickly, I'm going to ask one person to answer this for me. Proton number is 13. Where is it located? I will ask Keshman. Keshman, you don't ask me which question, I'll shoot you.
The answer is B.
The answer is B. What did you say, B or D?
D.
Boy or donkey?
Donkey.
Why donkey? Tell me.
Because it has 13 proton numbers, so I guess it's group 13.
Mana boleh? Mana boleh 13 proton number so it's group 13? Tak boleh, cannot. Salah, ajaran sesat. Cikgu mana ajar tu? Don't know. Keshman don't know, is it? Okay, I think I didn't ask Maithili yet. Maithili can, Maithili, you are here. I skipped you, Maithili, lucky you. Okay, but Afiq already have to answer, so never mind. Teacher will look at Afiq's answer first, okay? So, Afiq's answer also wrong. Okay, Ghazali, betul kan? Very funny lah, seeing you talking in chat and nobody wants to talk to me. All of you are talking on the chat. Next time I want to teach also using chat. Okay, so the answer is actually okay, so the answer is actually period 3. Keshman's answer is correct. It's just that his reasoning is wrong. It is period 3, group 13. Period 3 and my group is 13. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Why is it period 3? Who can tell teacher? Why? What is it?
3 shells.
3 shells. Okay, 3 shells wrong. 3 shells filled with
Three.
electron. Ghazali, did you want to say something? Or Heidi? Sorry, do you want to say something?
No, teacher. You already say it.
Okay, both of you all together. Okay, never mind. Can I have Ghazali and then Heidi the next question? Which of the following elements are in group 18? Quickly.
Helium and krypton.
Very good, helium and krypton. Okay, Heidi, which one is true about noble gases? Heidi? Heidi? Okay, Maithili also answered, yeah? Okay, Maithili put C. Maithili, you putting C for which one, Maithili? Which question? This noble gas question, Maithili. Okay, correct. Okay, Maithili is correct. It is C. Well done. Correct. Okay. Can I have now Arif? Lama tak dengar suara Arif. Arif, make sure you didn't put in the wrong USB port again already, Arif. Okay, this is a rate of reaction question. Why does a small size of sweet potato cook faster?
Because the total surface area of the sweet potato is big.
Very good. Okay, the answer is B. Correct. Okay, now these are your favorite questions, all on acid ready. Okay, let's do this. Azman, so long didn't hear your voice, Azman. Okay, let me hear you, Azman. Which characteristics of hydrogen chloride enables it to show its acidic properties in water?
Is it dissolved in water?
Cannot. Wrong.
Ionized in water from hydrogen ion.
Correct. It must be ionizing. Whenever you want to have anything showing the acidic properties, anytime acidic properties, you must have hydrogen ions. Okay, yes, very good. The answer is A. Okay, next one. I want to have Renette. Renette, try this, Renette. Okay, Renette, are you still seeing a blank screen? That's a very long blank screen there. Okay, now you can see. All right. Okay, Renette. Very good, Renette. Okay, let's try. What is the type of bonding here? Where my electrons are shared. No, not that question yet. I haven't gone to that question yet. This is still another question. That one, the bonus question for you all. Okay, Renette. Renette's a answer. No, not. It's not, yeah? Okay, never mind, Renette. Teacher help you, yeah? Okay. Whenever you see shared electron, yeah, you must remember the word co. Okay? Co means co-driver, co-partner, co-host. Okay, they are always sharing. Okay, so share must always have the word co in front of it. Co-pilot, that's right. Okay, so covalent means I am sharing my valence electron. Okay, metallic bond, I must have positive ions and negatively charged electron. Ionic bond, one positive, one metal, one non-metal. Okay, and then they are donating and receiving electron. Okay, Renette, do you understand now, Renette? What a joke. Pula. Renette, can understand or not, Renette? Oh, all right. Okay. Now, can I have Shalini? Which one is not formed, okay, from a covalent bond? Not formed from a covalent bond. By a covalent bond.
I think it's B.
Very good. The answer memang is A. Because if it's covalent, must have non-metal and non-metal. B, C, D, all non-metal and non-metal. Okay. Now this one you must know. You must memorize it. Okay, let me call out a boy. Yeah. Teacher will call out. I'd rather you all answer me than I call out. Okay, I will call Wong lah. So long I didn't call. No, Wong's not a boy. Sorry, Wong. I call out Wong. So long I didn't hear her voice. Okay, Wong, what's your answer here, Wong?
B.
Very good. It is iron and carbon. Whenever you build a bridge, you must have iron. Okay? Cannot be anything else. And then you have carbon as well. Now, copper and tin forms what? What is the alloy for copper and tin? Belum hafal lagi ni. Macam mana? Bronze. Very good. Very good. Bronze. Copper and zinc? Copper and zinc. Okay, I want everyone writing this down. I want everyone writing this down. Wait. I think I taught you all before. Okay. Bro, cuti. Okay. Bronze is copper and tin. Bro, cuti. Okay. I forgot also. Brass code. Okay, yeah. So for brass is copper and zinc. Can you remember that? Does that help y'all? Wait, sleeping already, yeah? Yeah, it's brass. Correct. Yeah, okay. Burnett, correct. Brass. Okay. So did y'all write what teacher just wrote here? Can y'all see what I wrote?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it's just one way for y'all to memorize, yeah? One way, a simple way for y'all to memorize. Okay, this one, I think all of y'all know the answer. What's the answer?
Covalent.
Okay, it is James Bond. See, I gave you a bonus question, okay? All right, which one always forms salt and water here? Which reaction? Senang je soalan ni, soalan science. Sorry? Very good. Neutralization, correct. What is the definition of acid?
In water to produce hydrogen ion.
Very good. Excellent. Again, ionizes in water to produce hydrogen ion. Which one is a strong acid? Anyone lah? Because teacher left 4 minutes.
Yeah. Hydrochloric acid.
Very good. B, HCl. Very good. This one so simple also. Vinegar, acid or alkaline?
Acid.
Sugar.
Sugar. Acid, yeah? The answer is acid. Okay, what is an alkaline that ionizes completely in water?
Strong alkaline. Strong alkaline.
Okay, very good. Strong alkaline. Okay, this is a chapter 1 form 5 again. You must remember, kalau cikgu nak kira E naught cell ni, E naught cell value, formula dia ialah E naught of cathode, tolak, anode. Okay, I repeat, you all look at the question here. Teacher is going to go to my whiteboard to write for you. If ever dalam soalan dia tanya, they're asking you to find the E naught cell. Okay, you must remember, kalau dia suruh cari E naught cell, you must remember it is your your set of your cathode. This is a formula you must memorize, minus the set of your anode. Now you look just now, they gave you magnesium and they gave you copper. I think magnesium was negative what? Someone tell me magnesium is negative what, class? Negative 2.37. Okay, negative 2.37, and I believe copper. You all don't have the answer with you, is it? +3 plus 0.34. Okay, now which one will be my cathode? Copper or magnesium? Cikgu dah ajar the concept tadi. Mana akan jadi anode, mana akan jadi cathode?
Copper.
Copper is what, Chia?
Cathode.
Why?
Positive, more positive.
Very good. The SEP is more positive. Magnesium is my anode because the SEP is more negative. Very good. Okay. So if teacher want to use the value plus 0.34 minus, here is negative 2.37. Okay. Everybody go and calculate for teacher now. 0.34 minus plus 2.37. What am I going to get?
2.71.
2.71 volt. Okay, so that will be your answer. So you see, class, teacher's teaching you back. Okay, so that I want all of you to be able to answer the question. The answer is A. All right. Okay, teacher's going to give the answer for this one because memang tak cukup masa. Okay, why my graph is horizontal here? Why? Okay, you cannot say all the sulfuric acid reacted. Salah. Because kalau tengok ayat, you are having excess dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid is a lot. So memang you cannot finish it. So my limiting reagent here is zinc. So my answer must be B. All the zinc has reacted. Your answer is B. Either one of your reactant, kalau dia mendatam, if it's constant, it means one of your reactant has finished. That's why. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, now, what is a brown gas, class? Quickly help teacher here. What is a brown gas? That can change blue litmus paper to red. Teacher did with you on salt, so y'all cannot say you don't know.
Ammonia.
No. Ammonia, not brown gas. Sorry?
Nitrate.
No.
Bromine.
No.
Bapak.
Zinc also.
No.
Ammonium.
No.
No.
Carbon.
No.
Nitric ion.
No. Brown gas. Only one brown gas that is acidic is blue.
Affixate lead.
No.
Copper.
No.
Iron 2.
No.
Wait, I Google.
NO2.
NO2, correct. Who said NO2?
Me.
Ada Google dulu.
Okay. All right. You can. I taught you all this that day, when I was doing salt with you all, but probably you all forgot. Memang when you get NO2, it is always and always a brown gas. Okay, I hear my one ringing already 10 o'clock. Probably this is the last question, yeah? Whenever a nitrogen dioxide gas is released, it means my anion must have nitrate. Do you understand, class? This is called thermal decomposition. A nitrate has heated up. That's why they can release for me nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, so now I know I got nitrate here. What's the next thing they asked? They told me. The next thing they told me is, if you look at the question, they said that I have a residue that is yellow when hot, white when cold. What is that residue? What is yellow when hot, white when cold?
Lead.
No.
Lead oxide. Zinc.
Zinc je.
Zinc is wrong. Zinc oxide is correct. Okay, so zinc is wrong, but zinc oxide is correct. So here, teacher actually will get a zinc here because one of my products here is zinc oxide. If I want to balance it, I'll get oxygen. So teacher knows I'm going to get nitrate here because I got a brown gas. I know that I've got zinc oxide here, therefore I must start with zinc here. So if you look at the answer, okay, the answer here will be zinc nitrate. The answer is A. Okay, do you all understand? Can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will give you all the answers for the last two here so we don't waste time. Okay, this one is very simple. Which one is an insoluble salt? Look also, you know.
Lead 2 chloride.
Lead 2 chloride, yeah.
Correct. The answer is lead 2 chloride. And here, you all have to go back and check on your own. Already 10 o'clock, enough already for you all. The answer is actually C. Okay, you'll go back and check not go back. You all go and check your answers. Here the answer is C. Okay, I think that is all. Are you all happy and satisfied with all the discussion that teacher has done today? Are you all happy, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I hope that was helpful to you all. Thank you for taking the time to join and listening, and I hope that you see your mistakes, and then from here we can become better. Okay, can we take a photo? Is Azman here? Yes, he is. Let me see your faces at night. I always see you in the morning. Let me see you at night. Okay, all right. Nice to see your lovely night faces.
Teacher, kat mana? Still morning.
Oh, you know, I'm living in the States and I'm just having class with you all. London, actually. Have you watched Harry Potter? Okay.
Yes, I have.
All right, all right. Alvi cut the hair. No, Alvi's hair doesn't look cut also. Okay, let's do this. Azman?
Okay, everyone's here.
Oh,
Okay,
yo,
one,
walau Kati punya
two,
pacar.
three.
Like your hairstyle, Karti?
Yeah, teacher, I changed my hairstyle today.
Your everything also gone. No more.
No, I didn't shave.
Okay, all right. I will let y'all go. I will take today's attendance for tomorrow, yeah? And for my Wednesday class, I hope to see your rate of reaction.
Okay, sure, thank you.
Bye.
All right, teacher. Thank
Okay,
you.
Thank you,
Thank you, Che.
Bye, Che.
Yeah, bye-bye. Ghazali,
Good night,
there's
Che.
no class
Have a great
tomorrow,
night, Che.
Ghazali. Yes, you can sleep. Teacher also can. No, I cannot sleep. I've got to go to school.
Oh no.
Yes, oh no. See y'all. It was nice teaching y'all. Bye-bye.
Good night,
Bye,
Che.
Che.
Good night. Bye-bye. Oi, we can sleep soundly for the first time on Friday. Smack you, Arif, huh?
Just kidding, Che, just kidding.
Alright, it's okay. I know the feeling. Don't worry. I know. Actually, last Friday pun you sleep soundly, kan? No. The Friday before. Cuti, kan? Take
Okay,
care,
Che.
Arif.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
thank you.
Anik.
Bye, Che. Have a great day.
Bye. You too. Anik, are you still here?